Here are the triangle trend indicators for NinjaTrader on 11/11/2016 and the ES4 Renko. I went short on this bar as it was forming. After this down arrow came in, all the indicators were red, moving down right here. Closed out the trade right here for a 5-point profit. It was getting oversold on the DMI differential and the RWO, as you can see right here. So it looked like a good place to close it out. And here you can see where I got out of the trade right here, and how it looked on the polynomial regression, which is really flat right now.